Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to record Teams meeting in your Microsoft Teams. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I have already published a video where I have shown you how you can record Teams meeting in your Microsoft Teams, but a lot of people asked like how we can do it on mobile devices. So in front of you, this is an iPhone where I have Microsoft Teams installed, and I'm gonna start from here. Okay, so this is a meeting here. So let me join it. Join now. I'm joining. Okay, so right now this is in progress. I have the option to disconnect. Right now I'm mute video sharing. Okay, so you see these dots, click on these dots. So if you click on these dots, you have the first option, start recording. Click on it. So first we saw the message recording is about to start, and now it is in progress. And once you are done, click on disconnect. And it has been currently being recorded in Microsoft Stream. So once this is ready, you are gonna get it like this, and then you can go ahead, share, and take it further from there. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like and comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. This is your own channel. Thank you guys.